Hi, today we are going to be making a giant cream egg nest. This recipe is super fun, super simple, and anyone can make it. Now, first things first, before we get started, we need to go wash our hands. Now, make sure you wash your hands for 20 seconds and they're sparkling clean. Now, first of all, you need to weigh out 120 grams of chocolate in a heat-proof bowl, 40 grams of Rice Krispies, 40 grams of shredded wheat, or 2 large shredded wheats. First of all, you need to grab your shredded wheats and in your hands, crush them up like so. Now, once you've done that, they should look like this. Now, you need to grab your chocolate, put this on the stove to melt or in the microwave. We're going to put this in the microwave, but don't forget to ask your adult to help you as you are using hot appliances. Don't forget to stir halfway through. Oh, it's ready. Now, give your chocolate a quick stir just to make sure it's melted. Yep, it's all melted. Now, next thing you need to do is evenly distribute the chocolate between the Rice Krispies and the shredded wheat. Now, once you've done that, don't forget to put grease paper in your tin and then grab your Rice Krispies and evenly spread across the bottom of the tin. Now, once your Rice Krispies are flattened out all the way across the tin, grab your shredded wheats and arrange around the tin like a nest. Now, once you've done that, grab your large cream egg and place in the centre of the tray. Now, grab your mini cream eggs and arrange around the large cream egg to look like a nest. Finally, place this in the fridge to cool. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Secular Productions. and also click up here to check out my other video, how to make a Victoria sponge cake. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we post our next video. See you in the next video.